Manipur State Kala Academy Fellow and Awards 2013 presented to 27 persons in various fields. Kaikangam urges farmers to follow traditional farming to improve food yield and people's health. And state-level Krishi Mela begins. Minister Govindas urges people to do away with bunds and blockades. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Walkemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Governor V. Shanmuganathan, who is also the chairman of Manipur State Kala Academy, has stated that the young artists of the state should follow the footsteps of the veteran artists. Speaking at Academy Award presentation 2016 held at Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound, the governor said the award is not only for the well-known veteran artists, but young artists should also dedicate themselves in conserving and developing the heritage of Manipur. The governor and the chief minister presented Academy Fellow Award, Academy Award and Academy Young Talent to 27 artists.
It is a great quality. It is called tapas in the olden days. It is called penance. So every artist at the age of 90 or 100, they are rewarded. They are honored means their life, they focus on this art and music and culture. See, up to 90 years, 95 years, they are carrying on this. So continuously, we are able to pursue for excellence. This is a wonderful quality that we have to learn from these senior artists.
Speaking on occasion, Chief Minister Okrami Iwobi Singh said Manipur is very rich in the field of art and culture. Iwobi said the present generation should be proud of the precious treasure left by the past generations. He said the government will extend every possible help to promote art and culture in the state.
ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯟ ꯊꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯂꯥ ꯁꯪꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯨꯔꯨꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯅꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯀꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯨꯠꯈꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯁꯛꯈꯪꯅꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ.
Deputy Chief Minister Kaikangam stated that it is high time that the people continue the traditional farming in the state. Speaking on the inaugural session of the one-day workshop on Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana held at Conference Hall of the Classic Grade, Kaikangam stressed the need to produce more organic products, not only to generate more employment, but improve the health of the people. The workshop was organized by the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation.
Modern organic farming is nothing but a farming system under the principle of traditional farming with added technologies and conforming to the prescribed organic certification norms. That implementations of PKBY in the state will not be difficult when all basic needs of the purpose of production and certification together with the regulated marketing channel for the organic farm producers are put in proper places.
The workshop was attended by officers of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, scientists from the Central Agricultural University and farmers of the state. Speaking on occasion, Joint Secretary of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Rani Kumudini, stated that the 11th crore have been sanctioned for a Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana scheme for the state. She also mentioned that Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana traditional farming improvement program has been launched to support and promote organic farming and thereby improving soil health. This will encourage farmers to adopt eco-friendly concept of cultivation and reduce their dependence on fertilizer and agricultural chemicals to improve yields. She also appealed to all sections of the society for successful implementation of the scheme.
You will be guided through the production, the marketable surplus, the processing units, as well as marketing also under the value chain development, which is commodity based. So these two schemes, I think under value chain, government of Manipur has asked and we are sanctioning 11 crore rupees under the scheme. So this is a very big proposal that has come from government of Manipur and also from all other northeastern states. There is a total of 400 crores for value chain development exclusively for 8 northeastern states. Under PKVY, entire India including northeastern gets only 300 crores.
5 clubs located within Chongtham Kona in the Wangwe Assembly constituency today drew the attention of the government to the construction of the Bailey Bridge over the IMPHAL River. The bridge is being constructed over the IMPHAL River flowing between Chongtham Kona Makhalekai in Wangwe Assembly constituency and Nungai Makhalekai in the Lilong Assembly constituency. The 5 clubs, namely Chongtham Kona Youth Development Organization, the Iram Shifai Magnanimous Association, Library and Information Youth Affairs Association, Standard Youth Development Association, New Athletic and Voluntary Youth Club expressed apprehension on completion of the bridge. Addressing media person at Manipur Press Club today, Chongtham Kona Youth Development Organization Secretary P. Joy Chandra said the construction of the Bailey Bridge began in February this year and it will connect IMPHAL West, Thawbal and Bishnupur districts. Joy Chandra said the construction work of the Bailey Bridge has been halted following objection from the JAC of the preparation of constructing new bridge at Nungai Makhalekai.
Kendra Mari Ponababa, Adogaloina, District Omzu Ponababa, Yama Tenba, Tongshi West Hagibada, the museum Naxan Nagadaba, Aduma, Mapamamoeba, Aduma, Tongham Neb. Leminary Kurimaxi, the Senamasiki, Tonghimalak, the home Lak, the Neb, Equine Hygiene, Atumatam, the Savolution Bio, Masida Yakati Kangusing, Sakari Makidegi, Lokobe, Excel Lokopio, Equigi Makidegi, the Sena, Bangway Mating Sarkada Pangege, Adana Yamatuna Tongs, Haraga Prazada, Masikanamzi Pangamusini.
Commerce and Industries, the Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Govindas Konthosam stated that a honey processing unit will be opened in the state within this year and export honey to other states. Govindas once again appealed to all concerned not to call for bans and blockade, for they have hampered the economic progress in the state. Speaking at the inauguration of the 3-day state-level Krishi Mela 2016 on the theme Soil Health Management, Govindas Konthosam said the Krishi Mela is very important and necessary as the state economy depends on agricultural sector and farmers have the utmost responsibilities in the state in progress of the state. Reminding that biopesticides and biofertilizers that are harmless to health are now available, the minister urged the farmer to use them and maintain soil management. Reiterating that frequent economic blockade hampers production and marketing of essential items, Govindas appealed to do away with abundant blockade. The Krishi Mela is jointly organized by State Agriculture and Management and Extension Training Institute and Department of Agriculture, Government of Manipur under the aegis of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India.
Manipur da economy blockade or gariban asina sing masing asi to hok daw taragadi hayeng di soy ang thengani maram di Asian countries as looking Manipur da mamit tarak pa hore India ma na Manipur yang ba horalge Southeast Asia gi economy forum da Manipur na yamna achauba role ama sanarak ba matam yorok leba kadai sakhini Assam so leirina atu country gi fauna ba yaba Arunachal Pradesh so leirina China ga direct fauna ba yaba Mizoram so leirina sangphai da gi tawra Burma da sanghi ba yaba Manipur hundu om ba yayeba.
Speaking on occasion, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Muhammad Abdul Nasir said a new policy to promote local products will be framed by June or July this year. The new policy will focus on the production of indigenously grown Moirang Pau, Kumbi Pau and Chakhao and other local produces.
Thangatlaba farmers singda tonganbi state ki policy amagi matangda Agriculture Department na mateng pangnaga lisang sidna handaki June amasung July gi lakpa sidagi ekoi agriculture policy amagi makhada manghandana thamnana bo hotnarani ngasigi Manipur gi prajada skuma message asi thamjari aduna skuma mela asina tung koina Manipur gi samaj sida agriculture da hongba ama purakpa ngambo eresnu.
Students of Thawbal College today locked the Directorate of University and Higher Education at Nitaipat Chuthek, protesting lack of infrastructure of the college. A protesting student said the students have been demanding teachers and improve other facilities of the college, but the authorities concerned have turned a deaf ear to their cries.
ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯒꯦꯠ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯕꯣꯏꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯒꯔꯜꯁ ꯇꯣꯏꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ.
An assessment team led by a sub-divisional officer has been formed for Thawal district as part of the Clean Government Office competition, and 20 officers have been selected to participate in the competition. Deputy Commissioner of Thawal district T. Ranjit told Impact News that Thawal district is preparing for the Clean Government competition following the notification issued by Manipur Urban Development Agency Deputy Secretary. He said the competition will ensure a clean and friendly atmosphere in the government offices.
Executive Officer Thawal Municipal Council da Queen Direction se tarik tarit ta pigre cleanliness drive se le da parameters this way ba koi office ta kwa ocean ba boiro urinal set fasan le ba weather fasan maintain to ribra high ba parameter me am so loina test to de ha ba du yenga it will make a sense of competition among the officers also officer na la ka mayam pradana su respect over here personally supervise this particular exercise we will be able to participate fully in this particular competitions and hopefully some of our office will definitely win the prize also, and that I'm just praying to God that we get this prize also.
As part of the 181st Raising Day of Assam Rifles, the 12 Bihar organized anti-drug campaign Say No to Drugs in Lilong along with Anjuman to create awareness among the masses, particularly the youth. A cycle rally was flagged off by officer commanding IMPHAL post, and it covered various neighboring villages including Lilong, Ataw Khong, Leifrakpam, Lilong Awang Lekai, spreading the anti-drug message. Cyclists also distributed pamphlets in schools and public places. Villagers appreciated the effort of the Assam Rifles to motivate the youths. Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
Ministry of Urban Development Government of India na state singa direction piri government offices leriba government building me kai leising se musi lu nan bagi adugumba competition ama tau competition je March ki tarik amadagi horaga 35 phawba tawgadabni tarik 36 sida koigi muda gi Manipur Urban Development Agency amasung municipality gi mioi mayam team chalaga semaga adumai tawna hariba moje mark pigni hariba adumasi am afaba initiative ni ada public na su lakwa de employees sing na su sinaba toilet sing ba maruaina ade tholaiba garbage ji kamai tawna dispose togi haibna sing basi khitang focus torpa attention pirak pasi am afaba initiative ni koi mahu department tori sibo hariba.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. IMPHAL West SDPO R.K. Shaklemba inspected the Sekmai police station as part of annual inspection of Manipur Police SDPO, inspecting police stations under their jurisdiction. SDPO R.K. Shaklemba also inspected Lamphel Police Station on March 7 and Lamsang Police Station on March 8. On the other hand, SDPO Rameshwar inspected Wangoi Police Station and SDPO A.G. Sharma inspected IMPHAL Police Station. UNC, ANSAM, NWU, ZBM, ZYF, ZPB, FNR, church leaders, believers authorities, youth, students, women leaders held one-day consultative meeting at Gadimzang House, Kopum Valley on the 7th of this month. The meeting discussed the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed on August 3 last year. The meeting was organized by Jelirong Baudi, Manipur, Jelirong Youth Front, Jelirong Pui, Baudi and Kopum Area Village Authority Council under the aegis of United Naga Council. It resolved to strengthen the ongoing peace process between the centre and the NSCN. A free medical camp was held today in Patsoi Part 1 in connection with the International Women's Day. Due to the non-functioning of the only primary health centre in Patsoi Part 1, the people of the village have been facing serious problems when need medical treatment. The medical camp was organized by Patsoi Kendra Social Upliftment Youth Welfare Patsoi Part 1 and Maya Paibi members. 12th Bihar Regiment of 9th Sector Assam Rifles also extended support under Sadbhavna Social Civic Project. More than 300 patients from 3 years to over 80 years were treated at the camp.
Health access later bagi ko dispensary su later mogi doctor su later adugi mayam na pamjabo na koi na health camp ngasi 9 March 2016 se koi na observe tori 12 Bihar Regiment na moina medicine sponsor toroga doctor manga ga koi se ngasi medical camp to bane kari gino herari koi na mi se loina healthy o heningba especially children and women gi se mama oibani na angang oibani moi masa pharadi koi se akoi gi kaino society moi gi kendra se fagadobani na akoi na pambagi sig free medical camp army de gi help lo ra akoi na tawzab.
A blood donation camp was held today at RIMS in connection with the 50th All India Blind Welfare Week. The camp was jointly organized by Welfare Association for the Blind Manipur, Lifesavers Manipur, Sky Hospital and Research Center, RIMS and NSS Unit BM College, Sawambong. Nearly 30 persons donated blood at the camp.
Lifesavers Manipur sina leptana sasalak pasina siguma koigi mari leinaba tangai pada observation me amse koina tawra tawra blood se koina han tawsaraka blood donor se masing adum leptana adum chasa putok chare adabu hojik leiba Manipur leiba blood se koi atopai state ke yanor matam da koi yamna low oi ona hojik je koi 40% gumba adumana yorongani tamble ngoni hanani chawpam thamjake.
Shiza Pediatrics and Neonatology Department yesterday organized Pediatrics Health Talk at St. Saviour School in Thamwiban Maisnam Lekai. The program featured interaction between students and doctors. Vitamin A supplements were also distributed to students up to 5 years of age. The 19th Raising Day of Sajjal Academy, a Kurai branch was celebrated today. The function was organized by Sajjal Academy, Kurai branch, under the aegis of Universal Friendship Organization, UFO, at Lainingthau Awangba, Shanglen, Kurai. Members of Sajjal Academy and UFO took part in the event. Social Welfare and Corporation Minister A.K. Mirabai also attended the flag hoisting ceremony. The dedicated service cable, a VIP line strung along the roadside of all main roads under the jurisdiction of LSD-1, IED-2, MSPDCL will be dismantled. Manager of LSD-1 IED has requested all concerned to cooperate in view of the beautification of the city. Now, members of several opposition parties trooped into the well of the Rajya Sabha today, raising slogans against the government for permission given to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's Art of Living to hold a World Culture Festival on the floodplain of Yamuna River in Delhi. Raising the matter during 0 hour, Sharad Yadav of Janata Dal United, opposition leader Ghulam Nabi Azad and MS Gill of Congress criticized the sanction for the convention. They maintained that it would adversely affect the eco-sensitive region as also the bird sanctuary in the vicinity. Leader of Rajya Sabha and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley objected to the raising of the matter, which a court or a tribunal is seized of. He said parallel procedure cannot go in the court or tribunal and parliament. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi clarified that due permission has been taken by the organizers to hold the function and they would take every precautions not to disturb the eco-sensitivity of the region. As the new moon passes directly in front of the sun during the early hour of today, millions of people across Indonesia and Pacific have been treated a total solar eclipse. According to officials of Meteorology, Climate and Geophysics Agency, the eclipse began at 4:49 IST as the moon started to pass directly in front of the sun. However, in India, it was a partial one, which began at 4:49 AM and continued till 9:08 AM. The eclipse was total in Indonesia and the Central Pacific, while parts of Australia and East Asia experienced a partial one too. Now in sports news, the third MCA played a cricket tournament kicked off today at Langtawal Public Ground. 13 teams are taking part in the tournament. In the first league match, Thongju Chigonglei Makong Development Club Thongju beat Nauria Pakang Lakpa Sports Association by 30 runs. Thongju Chigonglei Makong Development Club's batsman Priyo Berthe was adjudged man of the match for his 102-run not out. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association. The third MCAW Prahlada and W. Ramananda Elite Cricket Tournament kicked off today at Luang Pokpak Cricket Stadium, Luang Sangbam. In the first league match, Tidim Road Athletic Union, Kwagatil beat Kashar Road Athletic Club, Kamnam Lerak by 8 wickets. Tidim Road Athletic Union's Kwagatil's batsman Priyojit was declared the man of the match for his 56 runs not out. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association with 10 teams playing in the tournament. Flute maestro Pandit Harit Prasad Chaurasia gave a spectacular performance today at the academic block of Central Agriculture University at Iroi-Senba. The performance was held as a curtain raiser of the 4th International Convention to be held at IIT Guwahati from May 9 to 15th. The event was organized by Speak McKay IMPHAL Chapter under the sponsorship of Central Agriculture University, Manipur and Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Music College, Department of Art and Culture, Manipur. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a renowned musician who puts the classical Indian music on the global map. He was also chosen among the 25 India's greatest global living legends in 2013. Center for Manipuri Dance and Movement Therapy organized a 3-day festival with an aim to give a new dimension in dance choreography inspired by traditional arts form was held at the Indian Museum, Kolkata. Let's watch a special report from our video journalist Bishorjit Namayarapam, who covered the IM Festival.
IAM Festival, a new dimension in dance choreography inspired by the traditional arts form, was held from 2nd of March till the 4th of March at the Indian Museum, Kolkata. The festival was organized by Indian Museum, Kolkata and Anjika in association with Sangeet Natak Academy and Sanskrit Sagar. The first day of the festival kicked off with the performance of Mai, the Sacred Fire, a contemporary dance choreography with combination of Thang Ta, the martial art form of Manipur. The choreography was done by T.H. Imocha Singh and music by W. Suraj Kumar and K. Ratan Singh. Enthralled by the performance, audiences cheered the performers with constant claps. Chief guest of the event, Presidency University Vice Chancellor Professor Anuradha Lohia appreciated Anjika for their work.
So I think the city thanks you, Preeti, for bringing Manipur here. The city thanks you for the generation which saw the real Manipur and really integrated it into our souls.
On the second day, Mahanayak Garuda was performed at the G.D. Birla Sabhagar. The dance form was choreographed and music was given by Delhi-based Guru Shashadhar Acharya. The performance is based on 3 styles of Chhau dance. Mamta Shankar, director Udayan, was the chief guest of the occasion. On the last day of the festival, Jalam, choreographed by Madhu and Vakom Sanjeev, was showcased. Jalam, a combination of Kalari Payattu martial art form of Kerala and modern dance. Speaking to Impact News, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee and Anjika director Preeti Patel said
that we have to, continue this projects. I mean, we don't stop here because the audience is interested, and not only in Calcutta, but I would like to take it to IMPHAL and to other places of Northeast and parts of India, so that everyone can see what kind of work is being done.
It may be mentioned that Center for Manipuri Dance and Movement Therapy, Anjika, is based outside Manipur. Anjika is working constantly to preserve the culture of Manipur. With video journalist Bishorjit Namayarapam at Kolkata, then Shubham Sangeeta, Impact News.
And now, before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Manipur State Kala Academy Fellow and Awards 2013 presented to 27 persons in various fields. Kaikhangam urges farmers to follow traditional farming to improve food yields and people's health. And state-level Krishi Mela begins. Minister Govindas urges people to do away with bunds and blockade.